Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Home Graduates. So today we are going to speak about the period after presidential elections in Mozambique. Okay, so we have the Professor Araujo from Kelebani. So he went to Holland in order to seek help because of the problems which were found during the elections. Is trying to find a solution for the things which are happening in Mozambique. So he said that he was at Schiphol Airport in Holland, Schiphol Airport in Holland. And in its Holland, we have the International Court of Crimes. Probably he's going there. So why is he going there? It's obvious and evident that because of technology, we observed a lot of irregularities through the media, through the television, through by people speaking one to another. Okay, so it helped us to provide some certain evidences, because when you want to go to this kind of course, you must have evidence. You cannot just go there and try to blame other people without evidence. So when you go there, you have to make sure that you have all these things. If Manuel de Araujo is going there, it means he has these evidences. So you might be wondering, what is this when you speak about International Court of Justice? Yes, of course, when justice is not found among the country or between the nations, people go to international court where they judge matters which are very difficult to solve in the countries. Okay, Holland, we have Hague. So it's the center of judgment. They solve problems of genocide, crime against humanity, wars like Ukraine and Russia, theft, aggressions and the violations of human rights, okay, attacking civilians which have no weapons, and if some other parties are armed, violations of other human rights like lack of food, discriminations, and so on. So it's a court to solve this problem. Here in Africa, we had some special cases. If you still remember about the Gaddafi of Libya, he was also judged by international court, and through the United Nations, they decided to find him, and a specific army went to Libya, and he was the president of Libya. As the result, he was being killed in a battle. Okay. Also, these people, they want to know about equity. Okay, equity in the world. Make sure that there is no apartheid or discriminations or limitations. Okay, in many things, or maybe in terms of media and television, supporting one part, not supporting other part, or maybe policemen in these states, supporting the government, blasting all those tigers. Some at the time also, we can see the military people doing these actions, participating also in the presidential elections and causing a lot of problems. So human rights should not be violated, they should be respected. And the people should have freedom of speech. So in democracy, things are like that. People speak whatever they see that it's important to speak about. It's not like China where there is no democracy. There is one party and people are arrested and nowhere to report the cases. It's about applies to Korea. Even the religious people, they are also persecuted there because of their belief. There is no human rights. Okay? So, you might think maybe Manuel de Araujo is right or not right, but the issue is that when things go out of the country, then it brings more problems of credibility, because outside, internationally, they are going to see that Mozambique is a country whereby they violate a lot of human rights. So it's not good. It does not show a good picture of the country. Okay? It's advisable, in case there is some dispute or some problem, to sit down and find a common ground where everybody is happy and we continue with our democracy. So if they consider that the country is violating a lot of democracy, then that's another problem. In terms of investment, as we know that we basically depend on other countries. They support us. Even during the elections, they supply their money to help us to carry on upgrading, developing, increasing, with our democracy. So if we are considered as a country whereby democracy is dead, and then a lot of investments will be shut down in the country, and this country, Mozambique, can be like Zimbabwe, as we know. There is a lot of depression, inflation, and it's worse. Everybody is crying. Even here in Mozambique, in Malawi, we have so many Zimbabweans. They are running out of their country because they've got the sanctions because of breaking the rules, violating the rules, So it's not good to be known internationally as a country which breaks the law. So if we can solve within the country, then it should be good. We have a good country, democracy, we keep on growing. That's all of today. Bye bye. See you next time.